Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best ideas to make your home feel cozy, stylish, and totally on trend. As the leaves start to change and the weather gets cooler, it's the perfect time to refresh your space with some simple and cozy fall decorating ideas. Fall is all about embracing warmth, comfort, and those beautiful autumn colors. So today, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect cozy vibe for your home without going overboard. Whether you're decorating your living room, your bedroom, or even your front porch, these ideas are all about making your space feel inviting and seasonal without the stress. I'll be sharing easy tips on incorporating fall colors, layering textures, adding touches of nature, and using simple DIY ideas to bring that cozy fall feeling into every corner of your home. Plus, everything is super budget-friendly, so you don't have to break the bank to make your home feel like the perfect fall retreat. So, grab a cup of apple cider or your favorite fall drink, and let's dive into these cozy fall decorating ideas that will make your home feel warm and welcoming this season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new cozy video. Let's get started and make your home fall ready.